The batch mode in Uni Meas Hub features an execution engine specifically designed to handle large image datasets seamlessly. When a user initiates a batch run, they first select a directory containing the images to be processed. Clicking the Start Run button triggers the execution sequence, where the batch runner immediately engages a strict, deeply nested execution loop. It methodically iterates from the top-level layers down to the nested pattern recognitions, and further into specific measurements and calculated metrics. This hierarchical loop ensures that complex recipes with multiple branches are fully processed without skipping any pattern recognition nodes during execution. To maintain stability, the batch runner reads the saved JSON recipe file directly and extracts portable, relative paths for template images. To locate the correct files, the engine dynamically maps these relative strings to the active physical batch workspace directory, utilizing operating system commands to normalize file paths seamlessly. As the engine moves from one image to the next, it actively clears the memory. When transitioning to a new pattern milliseconds later, it loads the new template and destroys the previous memory, mathematically guaranteeing that cross-contamination between pattern recognition nodes is impossible. During the pattern recognition phase, the engine searches for target features and applies precise measurement logic to all located features. It dynamically adapts its measurement boundaries to the slight physical variations present in each new image. The batch engine also features robust error handling for missing data. If it fails to find a match, it simply returns 0 matches. Rather than triggering a fatal system crash, the batch runner safely catches the empty array, gracefully skips that specific measurement step, and proceeds to the next item. To keep the user informed, a live execution log and progress bar update rapidly on the screen. The command to update the progress bar is explicitly placed at the absolute end of the execution loop, ensuring it increments for every single image processed. This strategic placement completely prevents the interface from freezing at intermediate percentages if corrupted files are skipped. As the engine completes its nested loops, it gathers the successful measurement arrays and compiles dozens of calculated metrics simultaneously for the whole dataset. Users can monitor this batch data instantly through the built-in graphics dashboard. Once the entire image directory has been evaluated, the worker thread finalizes its operation by explicitly sending a finished signal through the background queue. This signal communicates directly with the main user interface thread, safely resetting the running button back to its starting state. The final step of the batch mode is automated data reporting. The execution engine automatically generates a fully compiled HTML report and exports the comprehensive measurement arrays into organized Excel files. These reports contain every single raw data point collected across the run, proving this isolated architecture scales perfectly across hundreds of images without manual intervention.